New accessory for the Tundras here. AVS bug shield. I already got a chip in my hood. I waited too long to put this on. But hopefully this prevents future chips from happening. And I got clear paint protection foam. So I'll put this on the fenders. So let's install. Alright, so here we are. Nice textured black. I think this is called the AVS 2. I like this little lip on it because that's what's going to deflect all the rock chips. Let's go do a dry fit. In case you're curious, oops, this is the tape that adheres it to the car. So I think you just start a little bit of the red and then you peel it all the way back. Alright, so what I did is I peeled off the corners of the tape so that way you don't have to worry about a bunch of stickiness being exposed as you line it up. And then I'm just going to start down here on this end, get this end lined up perfectly, and then peel it back, stick it on. Okay, there she is installed. I think it looks sick. I love the textured matte versus the see-through clear plaque. Now, the only thing that I was a little frustrated with is right here, you can see a little bit of a gap. And then right here, a little bit of a gap. Here's a good fit. There's a good fit. Right here, there's a little bit of a gap too. It's just a little bit off. Overall, looks good.